Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi problem connected but no internet. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, what you have to do is open up your phone settings and then tap on the option Wi-Fi over here. So what you simply need to do is tap on your connected Wi-Fi network and forget this network. So as you tap on this forget network and then just reconnect your internet with the same password. So after entering the password, tap on this connect again. This might help you fix your Wi-Fi connection issue. If not, what you can do is make sure you have a stable network connection on your device, and if the issue still persists, you can try. What you can do is you can simply long press on your power button and then you can tap on reboot to start your device. You can restart your device and this might help you fix your Wi-Fi problem. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to fix Wi-Fi problem connected but not internet. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.